Ladies.
Hello. Hello. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hi. How are we? How is everything? How is the Oh, wait, it's not Saturday. How is the sun? I even said Sunday literally like 5 seconds ago. But whatever. We're here. We're queer. We're pretty used to it. Hiya, pup. Congrats on getting here first.
Ladies.
It's a disaster. It's a travesty. I don't have any water. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Unicorn. Unicorn, yup, pup stole my first as I was hitting the button. Oh, I love it. I mean, I don't love that for you, but like in general, that's so exciting. It makes it so nail biting. Who's gonna get it? Hi, Unicorn. How is your Sunday? How are you doing? How are you doing, yup, pup?
And sis, that's T.
Hell yeah. There he is. He's been such a good boy. I should have made my stream title alert, dog gets saved from a snake attack. Tune in for the story at 8 o'clock. But that would be really dramatic. Okay, he was not attacked. I took him out to go to the bathroom this morning, and we were on our way back in the backyard, and just like in the middle of the yard, I saw the snake, and I was shook. I did take a video. Why didn't I post it? It was like a gardener snake? Is it a garden snake? A gardener or a garter? Like, isn't that like something you wear? How do I download this? Oh, duh. I wish it said download. Sorry, Snapchat's above you now. It's exporting. Burn the whole yard. Oh, you know it. It's already done. There's no yard anymore. I'm talking about the yard that was. No, Light didn't even get close to it. I saw it before Light was in front of me. And so I was like, whoa, let's back off. And to be honest, it seemed like I got in the snake's way because it turned around. It was going towards the house. And when I got out of its way, it turned around and was going away from the house. And so I was like, oh, you were on your way out and I interrupted you. I'm so sorry. My bad. There, I posted in my Discord. Let's see if I can send it to Yup. Yup, it'll be a shitty video. So, have fun. So it's inside now? Exactly. No. So when we were so I was watching it. Hi, no one. How are you? Happy Sunday.
Ladies.
I hope you're having a really good day. We're talking about a snake I saw in the yard when I was taking Light out this morning. Oh yeah, so I followed the snake and it would like stop every few feet and look up, and it was really cute. It was like a gerbil, but a snake. And so, what do you call it? Oh yeah. So I kept kind of like inching forward, and that would like push the snake a little farther until it was in the bushes. And I was like, okay, good. You're safe. I'm safe. Light's a dog. The yard is there. All good. My God, who turned the music up? But everything was fine. It was just interesting, cute, and silly. If you'd like to see the video, I did post it in Discord just now. It's a shitty Snapchat. I don't know why I went to Snapchat. I was like, the world needs to see this. But it was a, what is it? A Gartner snake? A garter snake. But still, it was exciting. I saw a snake. I feel like I haven't seen any snakes in the wild. I've been lucky. But yeah, I feel like I've been lucky. So that was like the first time I've personally encountered a snake in my life. I never like warming up with killer games, so I'm gonna do one survivor game, and then I think I'll play a couple killer games. Sophia, can you survive a few killer games? No one, you're playing clown? Ooh. Is this your first game as clown, or are you just living the clown life where survivors bully the clowns? I feel like talking for 7.5 hours yesterday was like a lot on my voice. You know what I mean?
And sis, that's tea.
Like, I would bring Dick Cheney, the crested gecko. Yeah, like, that kind of animal would do really well in an office space. I forgot that turns the light off and shocks you with noise. Oh my God! Sophia, I'm against Chucky. Is it you? And they're gonna kill me. You're dead on the ground. Dead on the ground. Dead, 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 dead. That's from Bob's Burgers. Yay! Oh my God, not another one of those moments where I'm like, where's the gen that's usually around here? Ooh, that was so close to not being any kind of skill check. Where is he? Ah! Oh God. Ah! Oh, that was so close. Gosh darn it. How did we end up on the same side? Ooh, I'm a balanced landing queen right now. No, what am I talking about? I just lied to everybody. I'm a head-on queen right now. Do you think he saw me? Hee. What if I was like, sorry, Sophia? Oh! Sorry, Sophia. Just kidding. I still think Sophia would have said by now. No! Oh, I thought they didn't see the basement. Oh, I was so close. Poopy. Because I forgot their timers now. Oh, I forgot. It's also behind my camera. I've been considering moving. Or like having a different display. For the... What do you call it? Like status effects. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. No!
Where did you go? I just want to play.
I can't believe we got away with the bullshit. No, but that would have been perfect for... Oh my god! Oh no! I'm so toxic. Who allowed me in this game? I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to come in here and start bullying Chucky. Oh. The opportunity
Insist. That's tea.
the opportunity presented itself. I'm an opportunistic queen. What can I say? That is the motherfucking tea. Whoop. Can't believe that. I mean, I can believe that. I'm just a terrible person. Thank you for letting me know that, Unicorn. Wish me luck. We're on Toba. Oh my gosh, I forgot about rubber banding. You go to sleep, you wake up, you forget rubber banding is the worst thing ever. I did see somebody's hair. It's very loud hair. Ha! I fucked myself up. I was like, ooh, I'm in front of her. This is going so well. And then she even got more in front of me by throwing the pallet. Oh, I can't believe that. But I can only blame myself. That's the worst part. You gotta learn from your mistakes, you know. Just gotta do it. Another mistake I must learn from. Did you see how he bounced and was like, got him? And I was like, you're right, he got me. I thought he was just trying to be like me. Where you know, give the killer a kiss, you know. That's not fair. The one time I want to go into the basement. Absolutely. I will say I don't have any other Steve outfits or Nancy outfits. Ooh, you want me to play Daddy Vittorio? Okay. Oh no! Is she running? Hi. Uh-oh. I don't want him in the pallet. Yes! I did it. I protected you both. You should pay me money. Ah! $5 extra because I got a tentacle whip, ladies. God damn it! Steve, you're not the skinny legend I want you to be. I'm sorry.
Ladies.
I tried to throw the pallet, which also wouldn't have worked, so. Well, I didn't think it would take you so long to get water. Do I play Nemi? I do. I wouldn't say he's in like my top 5 even, but I do play him. I have him leveled up. I'm so bad with his tentacle whip. I think my issue with playing the Nemesis is that I try to use my tentacle too often, and it usually leads to... Ah! I thought he was good. DBD decided to be a horror game tonight. I'm traumatized. Oh God. What's the slide glitch? Thank you, Unicorn. Primrose, he is a daddy. It's so true. We're gonna, like, I already know which outfit I'm playing with Vittorio. Like, I'm excited. I wonder if I'm already wearing it. I don't know. But yeah, so when I play Nemi, it's just so alluring. Alluring. Ah! What the hell? He's bullying me. Please tell me Benji's not here. No one. Oh wait. How did I miss so much? My goodness. Cheesecake sounds so good right now. Cheesecake. I love cheesecake. Primrose, I've got to run to bed, but have a lovely night, chat fam. Good night, Primrose. Thank you so much for being just a wonderful human and hanging out, and for dropping the follow and the Prime sub. You're so sweet. Get some rest. Have a wonderful start to your week. Hopefully we'll see you soon. My next stream is Tuesday. See you then.
Ladies.
I do love him in that t-shirt, the Iron Maiden t-shirts. Oh my God! Oh Jesus! Oh Christ! Oh, Sophia, if you hadn't gotten up, I would be on the hook, but like in general, I would have passed away. Like I would have gone. You're telling me. That scared me so bad. Are you outside? Oh.
Ladies.
Oh, that's not gonna happen. Oh God! I don't know why I didn't expect him to be that close, but I didn't expect him to be that close. Ah! I'm sorry. he's, he's not going where I expect him to be. I'm so scared. Oh God. I really wanted him to come through the door. I love when killers come through the door and the survivor's just right there. Yes, it would be for the bit, but I love it. I love bit. Yeah, now he literally is right there. He's probably the scariest killer. I agree in that way where he can jump scare you. I don't know if you have encountered a xenomorph using the unknowns perk where you kick the gen, terror radius on gen, no terror radius for the killer. Hi, Ridire. How are you? Thank you for the lurk. I hope your stream was wonderful. He's coming! But the xenomorph, I think, to date... Oh my... I don't even know. Did the xenomorph give me the biggest scare to date? Probably not. But it did give me several heart attacks. Shiva, I put the anal in analogy. Anal-ology. No, anal-ology. No. An analogy, I love it. I don't know why I've never thought of necromance having romance in it. But I love it. I guess I could have said necromancer. But... I literally looked out the window to check! I looked! You tried. You try to be active in looking around and being aware of the stuff that's happening in this game. And he's never where I expect him to be. Oh, it was so close. I'm so sorry, no one. I am so sorry. And yes, anal orgy, that's it. That's what I was trying to say. And I'm glad you haven't encountered the xenomorph with that. It was so scary. I literally just pooped my heart out. Well, don't flush. You're gonna need that. I'm sorry, Sophia. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, everybody. That was so scary. And on this map... Well, that's how you know they're authentic, because they literally come out of nowhere, probably mid-sentence. I'm like, yeah, we're talking about anal orgy. Ah! You know what I mean? Like, blood-curdling scream. But it's not my fault, except that it is. I have to go to the bathroom or risk peeing myself if I scream anymore. It's every time every time you look up from your phone. I'm teaching you a lesson. You gotta keep watching. Keep watching the stream. Anyways, I'm gonna go pee. BRB, Sophia already up. I'm back. I made it. Don't you worry. I know y'all were worried. Also, no one. Thank you so fucking much for that compliment. That was really. I love that you said not to get soppy out of nowhere. But that kind of comment means a lot to me. Oh God! Welcome back. Thank you, Unicorn. And man, this Vittorio needs to go shirtless. Are you talking about me? Because it's true. I just don't have that skin yet. Is this the thing where you mend yourself and you're broken? Because that would be upsetting. No problem, and it's true, so yeah. Well, I appreciate you coming back and hanging out and just vibing and being a cool friend, so thank you. I can thank you for that.
Ladies.
Hi, Jay. How are you? I hope you're doing well. We are against La Legion. Les Legion. Where's the... There it is. Ran them out of their power. Hell yeah. Oh, Jesus! Oh my goodness, Jay. I wish you had been at the last game. It was against Myers on Midwich, and I'm pretty sure they did have Scratch Mirror. I know I didn't check. Oh! Not them walking away. No! Sophia, you're incredible. Oh my goodness. Hi, I hope everything is going well. Jay, things are going very well. It's been a really nice night. The games are going well. I may not be surviving, but that's okay. The first game was against a really kind Chucky, in the way that they played the game. Were really good sport about it. They came in the chat, dropped me a follow, and said that they had a fun game too. So I love when a killer can take a head on and laugh, because I don't mean it on purpose. I just like head on. It's fun. It's like a little surprise. It's like a Kinder Egg, okay? It's exactly the same. If you look up them on Google, you see head on plays. You're so much faster than me. Okay. And oh, what else happened? Then I played a nurse game. I achieved my goal of 2 hooking everybody. There was a Feng Min that was very elusive. So that was annoying. And now I'm playing with Sophia, and there was that Michael Myers game where I screamed bloody murder several times. Yay! Oh, thank you. Oh, not you both being down. Surviving as Survivor? Never. That's not what it's for. That's not why they're named that. They're called survivors because they serve vibes. Was that good? I thought that was pretty clever. Wordplay. That was the worst 360 of my life. Ooh, so close. Sophia! I could see it! I could see it happening! Oh my god! Oh, it doesn't activate balance landing.
Ladies.
Ah, such trolls. Both of us. Oh my goodness. It kills me. Oh. I just want to do a little bit of a gen. Did she lose me? Ooh. Ladies, skinny legend.
Ladies.
Uh-oh. Do you think she saw me? No. Oh my god, she found you instead? I'm so sorry. I'm surprised she didn't use her power on you. Wow, I'm a sneaky legend. Ah! Oh, I was trying to fake it, but I ended up pressing space anyways. Okay. Sophia, I don't really have anything to save you in my active state. Oh, are they coming here today? Not today. Balance land. Ah! Ah! Why am I like this? Ingredients to the oils. I was just like, you squish an olive. Is there an animal in there? Oh, that's a leaf. I don't know what I thought it was. Okay. We're playing super serious. Getting out of this alive, ladies.
Ladies.
Oh my god, it's plague. We're not getting out alive. Inner strength is for nothing. I hate my life. Hex Undying. Why does she have Undying? She can see my aura right now, ladies. And that's why she's coming for me. Why wouldn't she? She's like, look at this idiot. No! I was so sneaky. How could that go wrong? You're playing Bald David and she just like takes off your head, beheads you. And when the Mori starts, she's like, the time has come for your head to come off. No, there would be something more clever. No one. I feel like that's an insult to Mama Rue. Ah!
Ladies.
I think not. Eye twitches. What if Rue is the entity? Oh, that's scary. The scary thoughts. That is more fitting. Michelle is Vecna. Ah! Why? See, I can do a skill check. You can see right there. I hate my life. Are we thinking she has what? Like Tinkerer? I didn't even think of that. thought I would live. Well, I guess I did kind of accept my fate when it was a plague. Having Scarlet Envy be your favorite is very interesting to me. Not that she's like controversial or like bad or anything, but I'm just like, ooh, for a fave overall. I grew to love her on All Stars, or UK versus the world. She really won me over. Are you sure this is a good idea? We're talking about Drag Race girls. What is this? I think everything would be better in Jujubee. What about Queens versus the Universe? What is it? Queen of the Universe? That's what it is. That was like a crazy 360 that I didn't know I could even do. Damn it! Oh, thank you. I'm I'm obsessed with again, and I'm obsessed with Queens Who Watch. Excuse you, Sophia. What? Sophia! Somehow this is your fault. He probably saw me do that from like 6 miles away and was like, this idiot. Jada Essence motherfucking Hall. Oh, Jessica fucking Wild. They never forget their EBT card on Taco Tuesday because they love Taco Tuesday. They always get guac. They love guacamole, and guac is extra. It's very expensive. So, no, I don't think she'd ever forget her ETB card. Ah! Sophia, I found it, and he doesn't like that. Oh! Goodbye, Sophia. I'm crawling basically right next to the totem. Right here. But I'm gonna crawl even farther. What do? You can run around the map the other side and pick me up, or you can just let me bleed out, or you can just make friends with him. He obviously wants to mori us all, so you could also just give him your booty. Because now he doesn't know where both of us are. What the hell? Does that say what I think it says?
Gay?
Gay.
Or, Sophia, get this. You could goon. Jesus Christ. I can't believe you have an emote for that. That's so funny. He's at Shack now. Good luck, Sophia. I'm gonna crawl around this beautiful wood fire. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, I can do it this way. Sophia, no! It should have been me. Like, think of, like, let's all take a societal moment right this momento to acknowledge that gooning is, like, in the zeitgeist. It's meta. People are talking about it. People are saying it. But in, like, give it, like, a year or 2 years or something, and what do you call it? There will be anti-gooning ads. There will be just so much. They'll be like, it's bad for your health. It's bad for your brain. It's bad for your stuff.
Ladies.
Hi, Cozy. How are you? I hope you're doing well, my sweet. I'm just playing, DBD with Sophia. She's being a hero.
Ladies.
Welcome back to the Gooning Hour with the Witchling. Hi, hello. How are you? Please get your poppers ready. 3. Just kidding. Oh, that's awful. No one, you're so funny. Talking about gooning cannot be helping you and your sleeplessness. They're only illegal because of homophobia. And they're not even made of the OG chemical anymore because that's literally dangerous. So they're made of a whatever similar thing, synthetic thing, what have you. I mean, what do you mean I don't research poppers? Ladies.
Ladies.
It's the fucking dredge. When's the last time we've been against a dredge? But you know what's not gonna work? Is my shitty head-on plays. I'm right here in the locker. Oh, it worked! At first, I didn't think it worked. And then I realized that when the dredge gets stuns, he kind of turns into a... It's like... Okay. I was literally about to compare the dredge to like a foreskinned penis. Ooh! How did I get away with the bullshit? Ah! I do like the dredge. Oh, that was so close. Strawberry, a Jane after Sophia's heart. Oh, he's got Iron Grasp, which is why he's taking the chance to do this. Oh, he definitely wiggled. Ah, they're gay. I love you. I hope you know that we're also gay and nobody's homophobic here. We love you. What was I saying about dredge? Oh, the only thing I don't like about the dredge is the darkness. I wish they would change it. It's really shitty for people who have sensory issues. It is like literally like you would see this kind of play style if I was on Death Hook. But like this is First Hook. It's so funny. I mean, it's not, it's I hope they're having fun with it because this is a bag of bullshit. Anyways, did any of you play the Lights Out event? Because that's what I wish the darkness would be. I wish it turned into like a smoky, really dense fog-filled map. Oh my god! Was that luck, or did he know I was there? Oh my goodness. I miss Lights Out so much. I wish they would bring it back. I mean, I'm excited for the randomizer. That's fine. But like... Oh my gosh, how many times am I gonna wiggle out on this poor man? Where am I? This, like... This is awful. Actually, it kind of sounds like they've turned down the whining sounds, but it's still not very good. But couldn't you imagine the darkness of the dredges being the lights out darkness? I think that would be cool. Because it would still like obscure your vision of where you are, but it wouldn't be so, I don't know, debilitating. How did that hit me? We've gone from poppers to foreskin. This is going well. I think there's a Lightborn on our hands. Bald door. Rainbow glitter. Yes. Oh my god, that would be incredible. Somebody get DBD homosexual department on the phone. Oh god! What did I do? Oh. Well, I'm an idiot. I thought he was behind me. It's not my fault. Oh my god. So if it's gonna be queer as queer can be, it's gonna be made of like prosthetics, it's gonna be made of breastplates, it's gonna be made of lube, it's gonna be made of I don't know, etc. Are they in chase? I can't tell. Not the darkness. And we are fully only alive because this killer has allowed it. And I appreciate that. We love you, Dredgy. Zach, Bird Lady could shoot lubed twings. the just that concept as a whole is so fucking ridiculous. That's so funny. Ah! What did I do? I can't see. No one. Come on, behavior. Pick your game up, right? If you don't have a skin within, like, this Pride Month, you're a homophobic game, okay? Period. No! No! My plan! It's been foiled. I hate my life. I thought we had it. It's fully because I locked that locker. They were like, ooh, I'm gonna come out of this locker and stop this pallet shenanigans. And then they were like, oh, I'll go to this one. There's the hatch. Dredgy boy, be nice. We love it.
Ladies.
Ah, strawberry, hello. There we go. Good luck, Sophia. Slap, slap. Oh, that's Becky, who's got back. Becky got back from where? Florida. I mean, she's being chased. She obviously can't fully control where she gets to run. But still, what if he has Jolt? He might as well, because I'm an idiot. He coming back. Oh my god. She was so fast. I just, like, I know that there's, like, sprint burst and all these things that could make her so fast, but that just seemed so fast. That was so funny. Ooh, look at me hyper-focused on healing. Oh, never mind. Oh, you caught a Hitmonlee. That's legit. Puccia. Puccina. Puccina? Yeah. It's not an Enye. Or whatever. Umlaut. What are these things? Why is she trying the business with him? Becky got back. You don't have to be like this. She got the save!
Ladies.
Becky do got back. But now that means he's on me. If it would, see, that's where me and him are different. I go for the person who I was already holding. Oh my goodness. Not the basement. Gosh darn it. Away from the basement. Away from the basement. No way did you catch a Kabuto right after he caught a whatever it was called. I think it was Kabuto and Hitmonlee. Aren't they? Or am I confusing somebody? I'm confusing Hitmonlee and Hitmontop as like Kabuto and Kabutops. There he is. I have a tickle in my throat. Peanut. Daddy loves you. Good boy. Thank you for being wonderful. Sorry, Sophia. Sophia, I hope you're not missing your little man. He's so tired. He's just devastatedly exhausted. He's had such a long day. So many meetings. I see him. Wow. She sees you. That's it. No love. No nothing. I'm rank number 6. Cool, cool. And that's just from watching. That's wild. Ooh, Sophia, you're hella up there. Number 3. What was that noise? Is it the unknown? Yes, it is. You saw nothing. Good. Distracted. Oh, distracted with Sophia. An Obama snow. I love that. Is that Obamas now? Obamas now. Does that bother people? Where is he? Is he? No. Sophia, what are you doing to this poor man? Wait, how did this come back? Oh, it didn't. Gosh darn me! It's like I just don't register the skill check sound anymore. Damn it. Can I use Balance Landing anywhere? The whole chase, I forgot to look back at him. Oh, I'm exhausted. From what? He really did lose track of me. Sophia, I'm cracked, I'll say. You ran up for like 45 minutes. If it doesn't, it should. Honestly, it's like, it's almost a cursed pronunciation. I need healing. Thankies. I also just want to put my crotch in Steve's crotch. Wait. Oopsies. I'll put my head in Steve's crotch. Not that that's any more,
And 6,
appropriate.
Jack's teeth.
However. Well, I guess if you're gonna have a powered exit gate, having a light is not the worst thing. I almost missed that beauty. Oh god, what beauty? I just want to put my crotch in Steve's crotch. No! It's so good. Are y'all coming to this gate? It's 99. Whee! I'm sorry, unknown. I really am. There was some bullshit up in there. You were walking away and jumped back to your computer. You're so funny. Reese's only friends, huh? If they're just learning the unknown, it is tough. Thank you for the game, Sophia. It was so much fun. It was a continuation of last night's shenanigans. Like, come on, let's say goodbye. Come on, up. Up. Thank you. It's like looking around for stuff. Like, you don't bring anything up here with you. GG's, Sophia. Thank you for gaming with me and for being ridiculous and silly. Thank you all so much for hanging out and for being here. This was a really fun stream. So silly, so ridiculous. So much screaming, so much laughing. Unicorn, thank you for hanging out. Sophia, thank you for hanging out. Zach, thank you for hanging out. I know you went to bed, but no one. Thank you for hanging out. I do stream on Tuesday, but not tomorrow. So have a good Monday, and I shall see you Tuesday for more Witchling shenanigans. Night, everybody. Love you.
Ladies.